Indian women are admired for their beauty and graceful aging. Their secrets lie in a holistic approach combining Ayurvedic practices, natural products, nutrition, yoga, exercise, and relaxation. You can achieve fire glow and maintain healthy, sleek body. Ayurvedic skincare. Ayurveda, India's ancient system of medicine, offers numerous beauty secrets, cleansing and exfoliation. Use a mixture of gram flour and turmeric for gentle exfoliation. Apply Fuller's Earth face packs to remove impurities and brighten skin moisturizing. Massage the face and body with nourishing oils like sesame, almond, or coconut oil. Apply turmeric face pack mixed with sandalwood and honey for glowing skin. Natural remedies use antibacterial neem to combat acne, skin imperfections. Apply gooseberry juice mixed with honey for a natural, radiant glow. Indian beauties use natural oils and herbs for their potent skincare benefits. Hair care. Massage the scalp with coconut oil infused with curry leaves, hibiscus, and henna leaves to promote hair growth and control dandruff. Use a mixture of egg and olive oil as a hair mask for strengthening and conditioning one. Skin care. Apply rose water as a natural toner to tighten pores and balance skin pH. Use sandalwood paste for its cooling and skin brightening properties. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin and body. Incorporate turmeric into your diet for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Consume amla, gooseberry for high vitamin C content, which promotes collagen production. Include plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet for overall health and vitality. Yoga, exercise. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a toned body and healthy skin. Practice Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, daily for overall body toning and improved circulation. Incorporate facial yoga exercises to improve muscle tone and reduce signs of aging. Engage in regular cardiovascular exercises like brisk walking or jogging for 30 minutes a day. Relaxation, stress management. Stress impacts skin health, overall well-being. Practice meditation and deep breathing exercises daily to reduce stress and promote inner calm. Indulge in self-massage with warm oil before bathing to relax muscles and improve circulation. Ensure 7 hours of sleep each night for skin regeneration and overall health. Create a consistent and balanced beauty routine. Cleanse, tone, moisturize your skin twice daily using natural Ayurvedic products. 5. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Apply a face mask made from natural ingredients like turmeric, honey, aloe vera weekly. Stay hydrated, drinking lots of water. By incorporating these time-tested Indian beauty secrets into your daily routine, you can achieve radiant skin, a toned body, and overall well-being. True beauty comes from within, so focus on nourishing your body and mind holistically for the best results.